Hi everyone, my name is Jeff. I'm a business and executive coach, and we're going to take the next 25 days and go through this book, which is Essentialism, The Disciplined Pursuit of Less by Ian McEwan. And you can join us on this journey. Buy the book. There's a link in in the description below on how to get it. And we're also going to be using this simple one-sheet journal sheet that you can download from my website. And it'll really help be a great tool to help you get the most out of this book. And the book will really help you in really pursue less, but actually get more from your life, from your business by learning what is essential and what is trivial and learning how to pursue what's essential. And because there is so much going on in this world, there's so many choices, so many opportunities. And the truth is we just cannot do it all. If you've tried to do it all, I guarantee you, you feel too thin, you feel spread out, you feel like just exhausted. And this journey that we'll take is 25 days, just reading 10 pages a day. I've made it super simple for you to really help you amplify your impact and streamline your life, your business, make things easier, and have a lot more energy in the process. So stay tuned for this podcast over the next 25 days. I look forward to being on this journey with you and hearing your comments. All right, guys. I'll see you. Welcome to day 2 of 25 days of Essentialism. And I just had a couple of quotes I want to start off with today. And the first one is the one that says big, bold print. And it says, if you don't prioritize your life, someone else will. And that is on page 10. And then I had another quote that really, on the next page here, on page 12, he was talking about how he was interviewing this guy who was doing so many things. And he realized, he said this, he said, he was making a millimeter of progress in a million different directions. Because he wasn't focused, because he didn't know what was essential, he was just saying yes to so many things. So what he was doing was making a millimeter of progress in a million different directions. And I can totally relate to that. And for me, maybe that is what you want to do, and that's it. Great. For me, that just seems like kind of a waste. I would much rather make a lot of progress in a few things than, a millimeter of progress in a million. And then he asks that same guy this question on page 12 at the top here. It says, what would happen if you could figure out the one thing you could do that would make the highest contribution? And then he says, and I asked him, and he responded sincerely, that is the question. And for me today, there was a lot of great stuff in here, but that really hit the hardest for me of what is it that really is my highest contribution? And I think for me, I've gotten so busy doing lots of different things. I've realized I need to pause and take some time and go, what are the activities that I wrote down as my insight is I need to clarify my areas of highest contribution and my areas of lowest contribution. And then take action on the highest and get rid of the lowest. So my action for today is make a list of my highest areas of contribution. Just take some time and do that. That's my action. So what's your action for today? What were some of the quotes that you found inspiring or moved you in these pages of 10 through 20? So hope you're enjoying the journey here. I look forward to seeing your comments below. Until tomorrow, keep leaning into your genius and discovering what's essential and non-essential and seeing what comes up for you. So tomorrow we're going to read pages like 20 through 30. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, guys. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.